Good afternoon. As chairman of the Woodlands Township Board, I want to take a moment to address the impact of Hurricane Beryl and the board and staff's ongoing commitment to the recovery efforts for the Woodlands. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt sympathy to those of you still without power, and also to those whose homes were affected. I know that many of you have endured days without electricity. I want to assure you that every effort is being made to restore power as quickly as possible. We, the township, are in constant communication with both Entergy and Centerpoint. Entergy has restored almost all power for its Woodlands customers. Centerpoint has identified the problems and are working to solve them. We are deeply grateful for your patience and resilience during this challenging time. Our primary concern at this point are twofold. One, to have electricity in all households and businesses. And second, to outline the removal of debris which has been devastated within both Harris and Montgomery County of the Woodlands. We have also been in constant contact with both Harris and Montgomery County officials. As a declared disaster, both Harris and Montgomery counties have activated their storm debris contracts and will begin removing debris as soon as possible. Remember, cleanup will take time, and this is not a process that will happen overnight, and I ask for your continued patience. Dr. Chris Nunes, our Chief Operating Officer of the Woodlands Township, will now address both electricity and the process for debris removal. Dr. Nunes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Snyder. In terms of our communication with Entergy as well as Centerpoint, we have been in ongoing communication before the storm, during the storm, and after the storm as well. This communication has been trying to provide reliable information so we can get out the information to our residents. As Dr. Snyder indicated, Entergy is almost fully up, and we continue to work with Centerpoint multiple times in a day through text, emails, as well as phone calls, Teams meetings, Zoom meetings, to try to convey the concerns from township residents to Centerpoint. We are hearing through various channels that more and more neighborhoods are coming up in the Centerpoint area, and we look forward to the restoration of electricity completely in the Centerpoint area in the coming time period. In terms of vegetation debris from the storm, as a declared storm, the counties are going to be responsible for the debris management. The counties have changed the process a little bit from past storms. There is now a QR code where residents need to register to have debris picked up. The debris should be put into the front of their yard in the county right-of-way, which is typically the first 5 to 10 feet of your yard. This will allow the county trucks to they'll be using a grapple truck to pick the debris up and then to take it away. Smaller parcels, smaller debris that can normally fit into your trash pickup during your normal trash day can be put into traditional barrels or the brown bags, and that will be picked up as well. The Township Parks and Recreation Department continues to work through the park system, the reserve system, as well as other public properties to try to remove or at least open up various aspects of the Parks and Pathways system. And that will, as Dr. Snyder, take a considerable amount of time due to the amount of debris that has been left from the storm. And at this time, I'll turn it back to Dr. Snyder for closing comments.
Thank you, Dr. Nunes. In closing, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our dedicated township employees for their hard work and commitment during and after, and continue to do it throughout the weeks to come. The Woodlands Fire Department, under the direction of Chief Palmer Buck, has been steadfast in their dedication and in their service, ensuring the safety of our community. Our executive leadership team has been invaluable, helping navigate difficult decisions during these trying times. Our communications team has stayed in the Emergency Operations Center right alongside our first responders and will continue to keep us updated. And finally, I would like to express my gratitude to the many, many staff members who came in after hours to answer calls from all of us. Many of these did not even have power in their own homes. In closing, I would like to remind us that many of us did not think a Category 1 hurricane could cause so much damage. But we are humbly reminded to always, and I stress always, prepare for any storm that approaches the Texas coast. If you need additional information or have questions, the Township Board and staff are available. Together, we will get through this. Thank you.